In today's video, we're reviewing the Blink Video Doorbell, a versatile, feature-packed doorbell that brings convenience and security to your home. With 1080p HD video, this device allows you to monitor your front door day or night, whether you're home or on the go. The two-way audio feature means you can answer your door from anywhere using your smartphone, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are. If you love Alexa, you'll appreciate that this doorbell is Alexa-enabled, making it easy to get notifications and communicate using just your voice. Now, one thing customers rave about is its custom alerts and motion detection. Whether someone presses the doorbell or motion is detected, you'll receive real-time alerts. It's great for both wired and wire-free setups, depending on your preference. Some users opt for the Sync module too, sold separately, to access live view and enhanced features. But even on its own, it's easy to set up and highly reliable. And with the Blink subscription plan, you can save and share clips in the cloud for ultimate convenience. A potential downside? While it's budget-friendly, you may want to purchase the Sync module for the best experience, which adds to the cost. But given the long battery life and the choice to go wire-free or wired, it's still a solid option compared to more expensive brands. Many users appreciate the easy setup and fast installation, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable video doorbell that integrates with Alexa, the Blink Video Doorbell is a strong contender. Check out the link in the description to discover more features and exclusive offers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home reviews like this one.